guys, welcome to or back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Asia. I'm 14. I like making YouTube videos. That's why you're here, honey. But if you want to join the family, all you gotta do is subscribe, show me some love, and you're part of the Barb's Nation family. But in this video, I'll be telling you what's in my emergency kit, and it can maybe help you too. You can maybe get some ideas. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Really, all I need these for is for after lunch, because I don't like how my mouth tastes after lunch. So I just need to brush my teeth. I just feel like it's healthy and it just makes me feel better. So yeah, this is one of the stuff that I need. The next thing that I'm going to show you is my body spray. I use my body spray just to, you know, just touch up. Just, it smells so good too. My mom bought this for me, that's why I never leave this. But I don't use this like after physical education, because putting like perfume on sweat, that's just dirty. But I just use this like, I don't know, when I just need a little fresh up or whatever. The next thing is Band-Aids. Okay, I'm gonna tell y'all why I need Band-Aids. So the nurse at my school, she thinks that I come to the nurse too often. Like, I don't know why, because she thinks that I'm skipping out class or something. And then my next thing that I'm going to show you is, this is a makeup remover. Like I've been at this like from the beginning of school, because I don't wear makeup, but I wear eyeliner. That's kind of a makeup too. So when I'm trying to get rid of my eyeliner, in case I want to get rid of my eyeliner, what's wrong with me today? In case I'm trying to get rid of my eyeliner, I can use this to wipe it off. So the next thing that I'm going to show you is my lip gloss. I use lip gloss. I have on lip gloss now. I love lip gloss. Like, I don't know, it's just my thing. So yeah, I use the glossy lips. I got this from a beauty store and my mom gave this to me. Yeah, I like these. I like lip gloss. And this is just like to get rid of stains. So like if I spill something on me, or if I have a stain or something, I can use this to remove it. Really, I know there's a lot of things in this small bag. It looks small, but it's big. Next thing is my mouthwash. So after I finish brushing my teeth, I use my mouthwash. Yeah, I got a new one. Like, I got a new toothpaste as well, because I mean school is gonna start soon, so I got a new mouthwash. And I need lotion. This is small. I try to get the smallest things as possible so that everything can fit in this bag. So yeah, I got these. I really don't know what is this. I just know that it's a lotion. I think I got it in Walmart or whatever, but yeah, it's a lotion, just like if I'm a little ashy or something. The next thing is hand sanitizer. You need hand sanitizer. Like, sometimes my classes have hand sanitizer, you can use it, but if you don't want like to get up, you can just reach in your bag, get it. Plus I like having my own stuff. I don't like depending on people. So yeah, I have my hand sanitizer. Y'all know what hand sanitizer is for. If you don't know, it's to like clean your hands. So yeah, my next thing is my mirrors. Like, it was a kit, but it broke. So yeah, but yeah, so yeah, this is a mirror just to like, you know. But most of these stuff, I mostly do these stuff in the bathroom at my school. So but in case I can't do it in the bathroom, I use my mirror, or I just use my mirror to look at something, or you know what a mirror is for. And I have these kunjis and these small elastic, just for, I don't know, if my hair got pulled up or something. So yeah, and I actually have two. Like, this maybe be a little much, but I actually have two emergency kits, because if y'all know me, I'm extra. If you didn't know, you know now. Asia is extra. Anyways, so in this one, this is the one where people get a little immature people. So yeah, I'll be talking about pads and periods. So if you don't want to hear, you can just click out. Yeah, I have like two pads in my emergency kit, and like some panty liners. I really don't really need these, like, or I don't really use these at school. Like, I use it but not at school. I mostly use these in case like my period came late or quick or whatever. I could go to the nurse, but I don't, because as I said, she said that I come to the nurse too often. So I just really try to get my own stuff, like, yes. So the next thing is some panties. You need some granny panties, like dead ass. Like, I don't even think these can fit me. I never wear this before. Like, my mom got these for me. I don't know why she got these so big, but yeah, you need these so that, like, in case your period comes unexpected or something, so you can have a new pair of panties instead of wearing blood down there all day. Like, that's just nasty. So yeah, some panties and some flushable wipes. This is for like after you finish peeing, or, well, I don't use it for after I finish peeing because I wear panty liners. So yeah, but I just have these in case of anything. Everybody needs wipes, you know. Next thing is I'm telling y'all need this. Some of you guys, you need this. Like, everyone needs this, but some just choose not to wear it. I don't know why, but you need to wear your deodorant, because you don't want to go around smelling. You don't want to be the stinky one. So yes, you need deodorant. So yeah, I got basically everything that's here is new because I bought new stuff for back to school because my school will be starting soon. And this is just like a gel. Like, this is another container, but eco gel is actually what's in it for my edges, or just in case I couldn't do my hair at home, so I have a bad hair day, so I can do it at school, you know. And my edges, well, this is a toothbrush. I have an edges brush, but I made my edges brush stay at home, and I use this at school, so I never take this out my bag. So yep, this is like, yeah, my edges brush. Yeah, my edges brush. This is my normal brush. It's small mini brush. This is just my hair stuff. So this is a small brush. This is a 2-piece. This is a comb. It was like this, but it broke off. I still keep it because I can still keep the comb. So that's that. And this is my period. I said period like so many times. This is my period pills. Well, I don't like it. Works. Like, people say I use period, but it doesn't work. My just thought, because I was in a lot of pain, so my mom rushed, went to CVS, got some pills, and come back. She didn't even ask for a specific name, but she got the PMS relief. I don't know what PMS means, but this is what it is. So yeah, this is like to help me get through the pain. So yes, y'all, I hope this wasn't long. Well, this wasn't long. So anyways, that is the end of what's in my emergency kit. I hope this was helpful to you. I hope you got something from this video. I hope it was helpful. I hope y'all enjoyed this. Make sure to subscribe, and make sure to go follow my Instagram so you can keep up with me throughout the week without on YouTube, you know what I'm saying? Go like my pictures, everything. Just, you know, support your girl, you know. Yeah, don't forget to comment below. And if you want to get a comment shout out, a comment winner, whatever y'all want to call it, all you have to do is follow my Instagram, subscribe to my channel, and send me the screenshots, and you might just be the comment winner. Anyways, I'm out.